Here are three common challenges I have noticed and what you can do to save yourself. The first challenge is the question of what if the property doesn't have a genuine title document or doesn't belong to the person that claimed to own it, that is selling it to you. What you should do in this case is that request for the document title. Go to the land registry in the state where the property is and verify the document. Every genuine property is duly registered with a land registry. And of course, if you don't know how to do this, go with a lawyer who can guide you through the process. The second issue I've witnessed is the issue of what if I pay and don't get the land at the end of everything. It is very, very dangerous and very disheartening to see people do this. However, this is what you can do. Always make sure you inspect the property yourself. Go there physically to see the property. And in the case where you are distant and you're interested in the property, send someone send someone that you trust to verify the property physically. Once you've confirmed the property location and you're okay with it, it is advisable that you don't pay cash. Instead, use traceable payment methods like bank transfer, and always make sure you get receipt of payment and the necessary documents that you are expected to get. With this, you can channel your complaint and legal suits properly in case of any fraud. Another issue that especially those buying for investment purpose face is the question of what if the value of the property doesn't appreciate as against what I intend that it should be. Now, here is the thing. When you want to buy property for investment purpose, always consider the location of the property, the proximity of the property to major landmarks like schools, markets, major roads, and other lucrative facilities or whatever that is notable in the environment. When you see properties in such location, they are always a good buy because chances are that they will appreciate in value very fast, especially when you're very strategic in your finding. If you find this information helpful, you can help me like and share it to someone so that this can help someone else. And of course, if you're interested in buying a property, either for residential or commercial use, or even as an investment purpose, you just want to buy and leave it to appreciate in value and sell off, call my number on the screen, and I will be glad to have this conversation with you on what you need to do. See you on the other side.